Good morning. I am Bai. Today I'll be presenting about my coursework 1-3. So it is the text to read the data stored in my SQL database by creating like the data engineering folder based on the scenario, and then save it to the disk in a structured format using Apache NiFi. So for that, let me share my screen. So to use the Apache NiFi, we need to download and install Apache NiFi and then Java version JDK21 and other MySQL connector J because it will be used later. So firstly, in my device, I already download and install the Java version JDK21 in here. And then for the Apache NiFi also, I already downloaded and then extracted zip file in the drive C. So after that, I'd also download about the MySQL connector J version A. So for that also, I already created. And then if you finish download the MySQL connector J, you will get like this folder, and then go to that folder and you will see like this MySQL connector jar file. So you need to copy this file and then paste into the NiFi folder, and in here you will see library. So in this lib folder, you need to paste this MySQL connector J. Okay. So now if you want to open the NiFi, so we need to run like this. Go to NiFi and then go to the bin, and then from this you need to click CMD. So then you will go through this open CMD, and then you need to run with this NiFi.cmd start, and then you will get like this. This is the version of our NiFi version and our JDK version. And then when you successfully run it will open a new dialog box like this. So while you running the Apache NiFi website, you don't need to close this. Don't close, be careful. So you need to minimize. So then after that, you need to log in with the username and login, and then you will get in this. Okay. So in here, I created my folder text3, my SQL to look at workspace. In this workspace, I demonstrate my text3. Okay. So let's start. At first, I need to call a new processor. And this processor is execute SQL record. EXECUTE. Here, execute SQL record, and then I will select this and add. So you will get like this. And then click on this. Go to the properties, and in the database connection pooling service, in here, you need to click no value set, and then choose value DBCP connection pool. If you don't have in here, you need to click double dot and create new service. And then in here, you will see like this, and then click add. But for me, I already have this DBCP connection pool, and then click OK. So, and then we need to, in the relationship, we need to check this one, the above one, okay? And then apply. Okay, then need to click again on that, go to properties again, and three dot, go to service, and then make sure that you are enabled or not. If you are not enabled, if it is showing like in here disable, you can click dot and you need to see, you will see in here enable button, and then after that it will be enabled. So after it enable, you need to back to processor, and you will get like this. And in here, SQL query. So this SQL query is we read the data from the SQL, right? So in the previous text, I have the database and table in the SQL query. My table name is book. So for that, to read the data from the SQL table, so I need to write the query, select star from books. This means that they extract the data from the books table. They extract all the data from the books table. So make sure that your table name and these books names need to be same. Okay, so then click OK. Then in here, record writer, in here like we extract the data with the CSV file or JSON file. So firstly, I need to show with the CSV file. So then click OK. If you don't have like this at first, you can create in here, go to create new service, and then you can start CSV record set writer or JSON record set writer, and then click add. Then you will get like this. Okay. So for now, I choose the CSV record set writer. Then let me check which is needed. And also in the scheduling, run schedule for the, I choose 1 hour. Okay. So then others are finished, right? Yeah. So that's all. And then in here also apply. After that, we need to check in here, go to service, it is enabled or not. Okay, now it's enabled. So I will go to back processors and click. Okay, now finish to setting up the execute as your record. And then I choose the update attribute after getting the data and to update, archive, or save in the dataset file. So I choose the update attribute. Then click add and double click on that. In here, we need to create a file name, which file is stored in our locality. So we need to create a property name and then give the file name. So click here, flags, and then create a property name like file name. Click OK. Then give a file name. I will give like books.csv, right? Okay. Then click OK. After that, in the relationship, we don't need to select. So that's all in here. And then I will click apply, right? Okay. Then I will call a new processor again. That is put file. To put the files in our logistics, right? And select this and then click add. After that, double click on that put file. And then in directory, I already, created a folder like data engineering based on the scenario. In here, I will create the data engineering folder. So I choose this one and copy this file path. Then click no value set and then paste in date. Then click OK. Then after that, what should I choose? Yeah, I think that's all. Then go to relationship. And here you need to check to all this. Then apply. And then click back file. And you need to check again. Yeah, that's all. That's all. Okay. Oh, then we need to create one in the double click execute as your record. Then go to this, go to service. Then we need to firstly disable, then click table and click edit. Then in here, database connection URL. So it means like you need to put this like that. After that, in this data engineering books, it need to same with our MySQL record database. I will show you. So this is my username, root. Then when I go to this, you will see the database name, data engineering books. And then in this database, the table name is the books. Okay. So wait, in here, that's why you write the data engineering book. So need to save your database name. Okay. So I already put this, and then database driver class name, you need to select this com.mysql.cjbc.driver. You need to this one, I'll put this one. And then database driver location. So at first, I already said that you need to copy and paste the MySQL connector J, right? In the NiFi. So NiFi library. So in here, that's right. So you need to copy the file name and then copy this file part behind the library / and you need to paste the MySQL connector J 8.0.33.jar like this. Okay. Then you will get like this in here. Database user is need to same with the MySQL username, right? Root. Then password is your MySQL password. So in here, you need to put your password. Okay. Then after that, you can click apply. No? Okay. Then you need to enable again. This will need to be service only. Okay, now finish. Then go to the back processors. So I think now all are finished setting up, right? So okay, now we will connect the process. So from the arrow as your record and my update attribute, choose select and then add. Then from the update attribute to put file, success, and then add. Okay. Then click on the space and this change your processor name text-free MySQL to locate, and then you can click run. Then you can check in your file. In here, you see the books.csv is generated, and in that you will see the data from the MySQL table like this. Okay. Then if you want to extract with the JSON format, for that you can change like that. Firstly, you need to stop this running. Okay, now it's stopped. And then go to the execute SQL record again. Go to properties. In here, you can select the JSON record writer. Okay, click OK. And then click apply. Then go to update attribute. Click the file name. And in here, you can select the JSON. So then click OK. Then apply. So then you can run again. Then you can check. So in here, book.json, if you open this, it will show with the JSON format like this. Here, you will see the data from the SQL with the JSON format. So that's all. This is the demonstration for the text tree. Yeah, thank you.